Welcome, dear students. We are discussing some important questions of thermodynamics, short questions of thermodynamics, in fact. And here we are. An inventor claims to have developed an heat engine, working between 27 degrees Celsius and 2 to 7 degrees Celsius, having an efficiency of 45%. Is the claim valid and why? So look at it means that we look at T1, high temperature reservoir is 2 to 7 degrees Celsius, that is 500 K, and T2, that is low temperature reservoir for the cold of the sink, that is 27 degrees Celsius. So adding these two, it is 300 K. The efficiency of the engine is calculated by using this formula, that is 1 minus T2 divided by T1 multiplied by 100. So this shows that 1 minus 300 divided by 500 multiply 100 to calculate the percentage, so it is 40%. This shows that the efficiency is 40%, 100 is invalid. So here it is, the clam, the inventor is to develop an engine working between 27 and 2 to 7 degrees Celsius, having an efficiency of 45 degrees. Is the clam valid? Why? So here it is, this clam is invalid. This shows that the efficiency is 40%, therefore the clam is invalid. He has given two temperatures, that is one is 27 degree, other one is 2 to 7 degrees Celsius, having an efficiency of 45%. Is the claim valid? Only valid? Why? So we have used the formula to calculate the efficiency. This is the formula which is used to calculate efficiency. So both the temperature are given. We have converted into Kelvin. We have calculated the percentage efficiency, and this shows that the efficiency is 40%. Therefore, the claim is invalid. So if you look at the reason and the procedure which we are following to calculate the efficiency, you need two temperatures. That is low temperature reservoir and high temperature reservoir. You will use the formula of efficiency and then you will calculate the percentage. With this, I thank you very much for your